Why is it that when you're watching a great movie, good movie, that could be some action sequence, something dramatic, someone's running away from someone, getting away, thinking go, 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 and then they jump in the car and they put the key in, and what happens? And along comes something chasing them. It's the big bad monster or the evil villain, and can't start the car. Can we think of a more original dialogue for the movie? Something a bit better than, and when they reach the car, it won't start. It was just driving fine, but because they're being chased now, the car won't start. What? Really? Or the dark, spooky night when, in any given time, you would never go outside to check something that's freaking you out, and someone walks outside to check it out and gets attacked. Bit predictable. Wonder why they do that.